Hey, I'm Dane the Mortgage Guy. If you're watching or reading this video, it means that you probably saw this advertisement on Facebook or Instagram, which means that I probably only have like 3 more seconds to get your attention. So let's just jump right into it. This is how to buy a house in under 5 minutes. Hold on. In the next 4 videos, I'm going to break down the 4 main steps of buying a home, of the home buying journey. Now, I know that this is a very vague generalization of buying a home, and there could be extra steps. It all really depends on your situation, but I can explain more in detail and to give you a better idea of what your situation is going to look like once you message me via Facebook, email, Instagram, text message, or you can just call me as well. But I know you have the attention span of a squirrel, so let's move on to the next section. Step number 1. Now, this part is easy. You can actually skip this first part of step number 1, but part 1 of this is talk to me. Talk to me to see if buying a home is the right direction for you, if this is the right time for you to be able to buy a home. Get those questions that you have answered before just jumping into this. Now, for those of you that do want to jump in or just don't have any questions, you can go to part 2, which is head to my website and apply online. You can find that link at apply.danethemortgageguy.com. Once you fill out that online application, you're going to want to get all of your documents put together, and those documents are listed right here. Once you get all those documents put together, I will take a look at all of them and make sure that everything looks copacetic, and if it does, we'll get you your pre-approved letter. Now we're on to the next step. Step number 2. Now this part is actually really easy, maybe, kind of, depending on how difficult or easy you want to make it. But anyway, now is the time to find your real estate agent. Now, if you don't have an agent that you want to work with, I've got plenty of agents that I love to work with, that I have worked with in the past, that I know and trust will get this deal done for you. And let me just allow those agents to say hi. So you could work with this one.
Hi, I'm Christy with the Christy & Company Real Estate Team in Keller Williams East Side.
Or this one.
Hi, I'm Carrie Freeman with the Carrie Freeman Real Estate Group in the John L. Scott Real Estate in Mill Creek Town Center.
This one too.
He's Rory Pitts. That's Luke Weaver. And we are Tahoma Homes Northwest, brokered by eXp Realty.
And this one.
I'm Kevin with Barkwest Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and my primary service area is East Pierce County and South King County.
If you didn't like the options that you saw just now, there's plenty of other real estate agents out there. In one of my videos coming up, there's a ton more agents that say hello, and you can pick and choose from them. If you don't want to work with them, then you can pick whoever you want to work with. It is a free world. You do as you please. I play really well in the sandbox with most everybody, so let's just find the best person for you. Now that you have your real estate agent picked out, it's time to go find your house. Happy hunting, guys. Step number 3. Great, you found your house, you submitted an offer, and they accepted that offer. Congratulations, you are now under contract for buying a house. If you chose me as your which I hope you did, then we most likely got you pre-underwritten before you went house shopping, which is going to make this process go by a lot quicker. During this time, be prepared for any other documents that my underwriting team may need. Some of those documents are going to be extra pay stubs, extra bank statements, other miscellaneous documents that my underwriting team is going to request. Just be prepared that those may come up. Now, while all of this is happening, you have one job and one job only, and that job is to just keep adulting. Keep paying your bills, keep making your rent payment, don't make any incredibly large purchases, and really just live life as normally as possible. But there is one thing that I am going to ask you to do, and every lender is going to ask you to do this, but do not, I cannot stress this enough. Do not run your credit for anything else, whether that's a new car, whether it's for the promotional washer and dryer, whatever store, whether it's to get a new credit card so that you can buy new furniture. Do not run your credit. If you run your credit, that's going to be an extra inquiry on your credit report, and that may also take your credit score down to a point where, one, you may no longer qualify for the loan, or you may no longer qualify for the rate. And the last thing that we want to do is have to extend the entire process because you ran your credit. So don't do that. Yeah, I get it. Life happens, and sometimes you have to do what you have to do. I get that. We get that. But if you can't avoid it, do so. If you don't know, ask your loan officer and see if this is a viable option, if you are able to do that. And if you're not, let's see if we can come up with a more creative idea on how to solve the issue until we close the house. Step number 4. At some point after going under contract, you're going to get what's called the CTC, or clear to close. That is the best thing to hear from your loan officer. Once you get the clear to close, you're going to get a phone call from your escrow and title company. They're going to set up a time for you to sign all the documents and purchasing your home, and you're going to sign all those documents. Now, once you sign all those documents then go to the county, and once the county records it into their system, that's when you can get the keys to your brand new home. See? It's not that hard. You're officially a homeowner at this point. If you've made it this far in my advertisement already, 1, thank you so much for being such a trooper in getting through all of these videos. And 2, I would love to take you out for coffee and answer any questions that you may have. Now, like I said earlier, that there's more real estate agents for you to be able to pick and choose from, and they're going to be at this video saying hello. Now, if you want to skip the small talk and just get straight to the application, like I said earlier, you can head over to apply.danethemortgageguy.com to apply online. And if you just want to know how much you can afford, or what kind of down payment you're looking at, or what your monthly payment is going to look like, you can also head over to calculator.danethemortgageguy.com. And if you want to get to know me a little bit better outside of this video, you can head over to hello.danethemortgageguy.com. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for watching all these videos, and I look forward to working with you soon. Now, let's get you introduced to all these real estate agents that sent me videos to say hi to you.
Aloha everyone, I'm Vina Vanessa Vo, and I work with John Scott Talent Real Estate. I primarily work around the military base, Fort Lewis, Washington, which is in Tacoma, Lacey, Olympia, but I pretty much work all over Washington State.
Hi, I'm Anthony Drilovich. I work with Skyline Properties, and my primary coverage areas are Snohomish County, King County, and Pierce County.
Hi there, my name is Felicia Waugh. I'm with Gateway Real Estate. I love helping people buy and sell houses, and I service Pierce County, South King, Thurston, and Lewis County. Felicia Waugh, Gateway Real Estate.
Hey everybody, my name is Luke Berger. I'm with Ole Pin Real Estate, and I service Grace Harbor County.
My name is Raven, and I work with the Lucas Pinto team over at Compass Real Estate. We service pretty much the greater Seattle area, anywhere up to Marysville, all the way down to Lakewood or Tacoma, so we're pretty much all over the place.